Oh my God, I can't believe this hot chicken here gave me 10 times. Oh my gosh, 40, 50, 60. Oh my God, this is awesome. Come on. I get my card up here. Come on. Come on, don't give up now. Get it? Oh. Get it? Yes, instant win. Is it gonna get them all in there? Yes! Holy crap! Holy crap! Yes! Oh my Lord! Woohoo! Thank you, Chickie! Got 2 more spins left. Look at this. Come on. Get it? Alright, still 2 more spins. Oh, come on. Last spin. Get it? Yes. 1 more. Alright. Another instant. Get it? Oh, it was right there. It was right there. But all these are going to go up here now. Amazing. Yes! Awesome! Yes, this is so cool. Finally won something on this. And this is Cluck Cluck Cash by AGS. I was on the machine next to me earlier and oh my God, it was horrible. Thank you. Alright, I'm starting to like this machine now. This is amazing. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'll just do a few more spins. Raise my bed a little. Last spin. Oh, 1 more. Oh, the chicken's still big. Look at this. Back. Let me try a few more, see if I can get it to explode. Change hands. Oh, come on. Come on. Nope. Oh, 2 more? Nope, you need 6 of those with the numbers. Come on. Come on, Chickie. Could explode. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Oh, I wanted the cash bonus. Oh. Come on. Games? Come on. Let me put my card in. And do this one-handed. There. All right, $1.50. Come on. Another $1.50. Let me try 2 bets at $2.25, maybe. Get it? No. 1 more. Oh, oh, oh! It's exploding. Whoa. Jackpot bonus. All right. Give me that major or grand. No. Grand. No. Grand. Grand. Major. Major. Damn that many. That sucked. That's pretty predetermined, but oh well, I gave it a shot. Let me do 3 more spins. Oh! This is nice. Let's get something maybe. Let's hope. Just got 3 spins. Come on. Get it? 13.50. That's cool. Come on. Get it. Yeah. Woohoo! More spins. Yes. Come on. Come on. Oh, 6 of these. Come on. Oh. One more. Oh. Come on, be nicer. 4 more spins left. $9. There's a little chickie now. Come on, something nice. Come on. Oh, last spin, get something. Oh, well, that helps. Yeah. We'll try a few more, see what happens. Come on. Oh. Lower it. Come on. $1.20. Come on. Oh, 1 more spin. Come on. Oh. Three more? Nope. Come on. $4.80. 2 more spins. Last spin. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck, everybody. Okay, guys, I'm here in Reno playing the first time playing this game, Pinata Pays. I'm betting minimum 80 cents, and I just got all 3 of the bonuses. I don't know what they do yet. We will find out. So, collect the blue or yellow coin things to unlock additional reels. Right, let's get this baby going. Oh yeah, it goes way up here. All right. 4 spins remaining. It says that right there. Okay, let's get some big numbers. Come on, get them. All right, get them. Gonna unlock anything? Come on, get the blue one. Get it. Oh. Well, this is crappy so far. Oh, I unlocked it. Okay. All right. See, I got that and that. That's what I don't have unlocked yet. Okay. Sorry it's so big. Let's try this again. Get it? Oh, come on. Get it? Uh-oh, 2 spins left. Get it? Come on, get it. Oh, I got a blue one down there. What's that do? Oh, cool. All right. 4 spins left. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, come on. Oh, not giving me anything. Come on. Get it? No, 2 spins. It says I need to collect 5 of the coins to unlock that. Come on, give me some big numbers. Come on, get some of them. Get it, land on something. No, this isn't doing well. Last spin. Come on, get the coins. Get them. No. All right, let's see what we ended up with. Oh, it adds them up there. All right, $55. 80-cent bet. That's not bad. The major's at $1,000.02. Well, this, all right. See, these were all big and fat, these piñatas. Now they're all skinny. Let me do a couple more spins. Show you how weird it is. Every time you get one of these things, the piñata, well, you can't see, but they're supposed to go up a little bit. Come on. Of course, you know, they can burst at any time. You don't have to wait till they're all big and fat. That's just to tease you to spend more money. Come on. Okay, last spin. Okay, I hope you like that little tidbit. This is what it is. I'm not that, it's okay, but I'm not that impressed with it, but good luck to ya. Woohoo! Awesome win! Yahoo! $450! Woohoo! Oh my Lord, I did this again on the machine next to the other machine. I'm in the super bonus. I got 7 times 3 and, excuse me, and 2 and bars. $675 and I still have more spins to go. Oh my gosh. I was betting 50 and I went up to the max bet and I got the bonus, the super bonus. Oh my God, this is so cool. Now the trick is taking home with me tomorrow. All right. Oh, 722 is what I want. Oh, I still got 6 more spins. Get it? Oh, come on. See, it changes the multiplies up there from 2, 5, and 10. See, 2, 5, and 10, 2. Now I'm getting 2 times 7s. Come on, get it? Sometimes you get nothing. Come on. I want the 10. I've had the 10 twice. 10, 10, 10. No. 5. Come on, 7s. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. No. It might be done. 4 more spins. 10, 10. Nope. Another 5 again. Come on, get it? Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Times 3. The triple bars times 3. $40. Holy crap. This is so much fun. It's progressive 3 game bonanza, if you can see that. This is so cool. Top shelf win. Oh my gosh. All right, 10. Oh, 2. I want it 10 times. Come on, get it? Get it, blue, blue, blue. Yep. $2. 10, 10. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, shoot. One more spin left. I want it 10 times. Come on, 10, 10. No. Come on, get it. Match. Oh, I need another 7. But this is so cool. Oh my God, that's what I just did. That was so much fun. All right, I got 3 of these with that symbol on them. They're a dark purple. It changes colors, but it's got the glitter around the edge that the others don't. I'll do a couple more spins. No, that's the only bonus I've gotten too. Get it? If you change your bet, let me see, I'm at 250. We'll go down to 2. That's what they changed. These have to hit by the time you hit 15. Let me go. That's 150 your bet. We got those amount $1, and they go up and down. Depends on what you bet. They can always hit. You can adjust it there. Hit the max bet. Get it? Oh, I'm gonna go change the one next to me in a minute. Get it? All right, last spin. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm on this machine that was next to that, and there is a glare. I apologize. Right now it's set at 50 cents, and that's what, if you get the Bonanza one, super one like I got, and I had the 18 games on it, but that's at 50 cents. Let's go up. This is at 5, 5, and 7. See, $1 the bet. Go up. $1.50. No, $2. They didn't even change, did they? 250, 575. See, they're not very high. 17, that's at $1. I'm gonna try the dollar bet for a few spins. There is a glare, so if we get anything. See, that's what that symbol looks like. Come on. No, it added change, see? Let me do max bet a couple times. It's at 17. Multiply, get match. 625, if you can see there. Glare is horrible. 7, red 7, 7, or any 7? Nope, it didn't take. That's the Bonanza one. Got that glitter on it. 7? No. Didn't show me some of the other ones. Oh, red. There's a red one. One more red. Almost. The red is at 5 times 2, so it's the lowest. You gotta get 3. Get it? Red, red. Nope, didn't get it. You think it'd give you more because it's the littlest one. Multiplier, multiplier, multiplier. I won't stay on this too long. 7, 7, no. Let me. $1. They're all so low. I'll stay at $2. Get it? The blue is what I won on last time, yesterday. Oh, because it was at 10 times. When I hit it, it was like at 10 spins at 10 times. Just takes one good spin, you know. Green? Nope. The green is 6 at 5 times. See, it's not, doesn't want to do anything right now. Come on. 7. Come on, multipliers. Blue, 7. Come on. Nope. Oh, come on. Bonus. Nope. Well, I think these machines are done. They can't take too much winning, I guess. These are older machines, too. The Legend of 2 times 3. This one's the Phoenix. Come on. Hit it. 7. Nope. It's not even giving me 7s. Come on. Last spin. Let me go lower my bet. All right, at $1, that's what we're at. Let's do 1 spin, then I'm cashing out. Get it? Something, 777. No. All right, well, I am cashing out. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck, everyone. Holy crap. I am playing Money League Revolution. I'm on 2 cents, betting $2. I got that to spin the wheel, and the wheel came up, the mega, $1,100 and some dollars. This is awesome. I'm on 2 cents. Oh my Lord, look at that. So pretty. Woohoo! Yes. Let's try a few more spins. I'm just in shock. Been doing pretty good on it. I started with, I think, $20. Oh, come on, get it? You want to get 3 of the green or 6 of those symbols with the, I don't know, I call them numbers, but come on. Come on. Come on. Get it? Couple more spins. I'm going to change my bet. Oh, come on, get him. No, I'm going to try a $4 bet. I haven't done the $4 yet. Get it? Oh, $50. Or would that be $100? Get him, get him. Come on, get him. When you know for sure you're getting it, it'll kind of shake. Then it gives you something. Couple more. Oh. All right, I'm going to go down to $2 on pennies. It seems to like that. Oh, come on, get them up there. You have, it does, when you get the bonus, it goes up to 3 screens. It's a very tall, I mean, I'll show you. Here's the thing. Then it goes way up. And then up, those are the progressives way up there. It is a big honking machine here. Come on. Get it? It might be done with me after that amazing win I just got. They're easy to stop, but it doesn't want to give you anything. All right, I'll stop stopping it. I'm on 1 cent now, betting $2. Come on, let's see if it'll come up with something. Oh, look, get it. Something here. Oh, a bunch of wilds, $39. That works. Come on, get them. Oh, 3 more? No, 2 more. Oh, your turn. Neighbor's getting something. Come on, get him. Get him. You got some big numbers up there, though. Get it? See, she got hers. Now it goes up, and you got to get these green symbols. Each one you do, it'll unlock the next section. I'm hoping to get it to show you. Oh, come on, get it. No. If you fill up, when you get the bonus, if you fill up the whole screen, you get the grand. Oh, come on, get them. Oh, 2 more. Oh, come on, get it. No, 2 more. Come on, get it. No. Well, I was hoping to, oh, get it. Come on, look at all these. Get them. No, 2 more. No. Come on. And there are the wild symbols too. Come on, get them. Oh. I think it's done with me. I've done pretty good on it. I already cashed out a $200 ticket. But I put a 100 bill in to get that one. So that was $100 profit. Get them? Oh, come on. Come on, something. I'll raise my bet a few spins. I'm not going to put this back in. Come on, get him. Oh, one more green. Oh. Come on. Come on. Well, this is becoming boring. Sorry. I should have filmed to begin with, but I didn't think I... Oh, get it green. Oh. Need 3 of those shields. Oh, it's going to do something. It's shaking. Come on, big numbers. Big, 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 big. No, they're not so big, but that's okay. This is what happens. Now, it's like other games. You got this, you go, and if you get 3 of these green symbols up there, you unlock this one. Then if you get 3 more, you unlock that one. And you can get a wheel symbol, and that's when you spin the wheel to get the progressives and some other ones. So let's see what we can get. Come on, get some greens. Oh, got 1 green. And it goes up there and up there. See? All right. I don't know if you played this or not, so I'm explaining it. Come on, green. Oh. Well, that's not nice. Every time you get one, it'll go back to 3. Oh, good. I got a green. And that goes up to there. 1 more green to unlock the middle, that one. And I got 3 more spins. Come on, get it. Give me something. Oh, no. Come on, give me something. Get it? All right. Still got 3 spins. Come on, get it. 1 more. Oh, no. Come on, get it. 1 more, get it. Yes, ooh, a green. All right, the next wheel is unlocked. Then it takes these greens and puts it up top. All right. And I got 3 spins. Let's see what else we can do. Come on, another green. Get it. Ooh, a $20 one. Come on, green. 1 more green. Get it, get it. All right. See, that's that one. Come on, get it. 1 more green. Get it. Oh, I got the wheel. We'll get to see that. All right. 3 spins. We need another green to unlock the very top. And there's $75, 20, 25, and a $50 up there. Come on, 1 more green. Get it. Green, get it, get it. Oh, no. Come on, green. Get it. Get it, get it. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Oh, no. It's teasing me now. Whew. All right, 1 more. Come on, green. Get it. 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Nope. Well, I got this anyway, and it'll give me the middle one also. And then it's... All right. This is nice. All right, now we do the wheel. There's the wheel. And those are the progressives, if you can see them. This is how I got Mega. Come on, Mega again, or Grand. Big one, $100. Big, $40. Well, that's okay. That works. This is how the machine works if you've never played it. My first time playing it. So, hope you enjoyed this. Amazon Fortune. All right, good luck everybody. Have fun.